Though it took good amount of time, hard and smart work to complete, but considering it a very essential part, CSTV team has come up with the solution to almost all such problems that are common for most of the civil services aspirants. We have found that most students have almost same type of queries, which include: is coaching required or is coaching compulsory to qualify in civil services? How do I study for international relations or science and technology or culture? What books should I prefer for mains? Which institute has best study material for polity, geography, economy, and the list keeps going. The CSTV has combined all these questions and then divided them into sections, and to make it simple and easier for students to understand, structure, learn and search for all their queries, CSTV has come up with following playlists and programs. The first among them is Issues and Analysis series. This playlist will include all the current affairs of significance, simplifying all such current events that play a major role in UPSC examinations. The questions that will and must be asked of those topics will be discussed under this heading. Perception Balance. Perception Balance talks on how to see multifaceted aspect of a topic, that is, seeing, learning and analyzing the topic through different perspectives. Talking of perspectives, the next playlist is again very crucial and significant as it is Perspectives. This program will have the videos and discussions on national and international issues with a specific viewpoint. Next up in the list is Global Strategic Depth, about in-depth analysis on topics of international affairs. Face to Face. Face to Face is on weekly interview with our special guest, either one-to-one or in a panel. Explained. Explained series is to explain you on why, how, what and when of a topic. Inspired and glamorized. Don't worry, we are not going to talk on what civil servants wear and what glamorizes them. This playlist is on topper stock and celebrities, that is the former IAS, IPS and IFS officers stock. Next up is Counseling and Strategy for guidance to students with different backgrounds. Innovative multimedia lessons on super high quality 21st century lessons with multimedia and animation. Observational Learning. Observational learning is on learning through observation only. Fun learning to make the task easier for students. High probability question of unknown origin for PT and its explanation analysis. The last and definitely not the least, Beyond Civil Services. For all those talented candidates who do not know their talent, their path, their direction and their vision. The program aims to give them a defined career direction through a series of mentoring sessions on future prospects for civil services aspirants by providing them access, opportunity and skill to utilize and create a niche brand world in the post-COVID age. This is all that we have for you all. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon if you want to take advantage of all these programs. Like the video and in the comment section below, let us know which is your favorite playlist.